Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we'll learn how to make realistic art in starving artists. So in order to create a realistic art, firstly we have to process a real life art according to our needs to make a similar art in starving artists. So firstly I have chosen this image and processed it, and for size you have to choose 32 by 32 from image. Then from view you have to enable the ruler section. By enabling ruler, you can put lines in between the pixels like this. So you have to put a line in between every fifth pixel to make a 5 by 5 grid. It will help you do your art work much easier, which will be showing you later. So now, after opening the canvas of your starving artist, make sure that you make a grid similar to the one you made before. So it will be a 5 by 5 grid in here. Every fifth pixel line we will draw a line just like this. I'll do it from top to bottom as well. Now from the image, we have to select the color that is in the real image grid. To do that, use the selection tool and press on any color, and it will show in the color picker. You have to select the hex code of the color, then go back to Roblox and input the hex code here and press enter. And now if you close the color picker, you can input the color in here. So we have to do that for every grid manually. It will take some time, but patience will pay off. So again, we will select the color from each pixel and import it in our canvas. I'll just set up to do it easily. So if you take enough time, you can do it much more precisely than I am doing here, as I am not a very good artist. But I'll try my best to import the most accurate image possible. Now I'll import the center image colors, which are like this. So import the deep colors. After everything is done, you can see that your image will be a very good representation of the real one. So after that, you have to name your artwork. I'll just select flowers, then click on finish, and now it will submit. Now if you enter into your booth, you'll see that your artwork is showing in your inventory, and you can use it in your starving artist as you like. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.